What happens to your brain when you get déjà vu suddenly? This strange feeling isn't just a glitch in your memory. It reveals surprising secrets about your brain's wiring and how it processes reality. Déjà vu happens when your brain mistakenly processes a new experience as if it's a memory you've already stored. This happens because parts of your brain responsible for short-term memory and long-term memory get out of sync. The temporal lobe, especially the hippocampus, plays a big role here. It's like your brain accidentally flags the present moment as a past event, making you feel that eerie sense of familiarity. Your brain is constantly scanning for patterns and familiar cues. Sometimes it picks up on a detail that resembles something you've seen before, even if just vaguely. This sparks a feeling of recognition without clear memory. The brain's familiarity detection system lights up, but since no full memory matches, you get that strange, fleeting sensation of déjà vu. Neuroscientists use brain scans to study déjà vu and find that it activates regions like the medial temporal lobe and prefrontal cortex. These areas process memory, decision-making, and emotional response. This means déjà vu isn't just a memory glitch. It also involves how your brain evaluates and emotionally reacts to what you experience, making it a rich neurological phenomenon. So when you get déjà vu suddenly, your brain is momentarily mixing memory signals and familiarity detection in fascinating ways. It's a glimpse into how your mind constructs reality from fragments of experience. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and keep exploring the mysteries of your brain.